Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, darling people, please do subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling, for my correct people, this video today na about Chinedu, one DK where they sing. The guy, when I know say in the sick ever since, and everybody just they pray make it day okay, you know. So many people even go support him when they cry come and say make they help for a kidney sickness. We just shocked now for the bad news we just hear now. And they don't even they talk, say they want fly and go Indian, make they go treat and finish for that side. Him don't see they okay small now. Now we just hear now say they say Chinedu don't die. It's just shockalize everybody. Person where they say if visa just come out. If visa just come out yesterday, in there today. Like seriously. This life no balance. So the life just get as it be. Person where you see now, you just see yes, say it don't go. May so rest in perfect peace. This thing just shockalize me, like seriously. It shocked me when I hear it just now. If they do good, continue to do your good though. Because you don't know who you go be tomorrow. May so rest in perfect peace. I just pray me family feel bear the lost. First we just dey okay. Not just me so. This life, not today this world though. When you go to quarrel with person, you say I no go settle lie. Not today. Not today the world at all. Not be as your reason. Now as it just restore, my people. It just shocked me. May you soon rest in perfect peace, my people. Look, I put the video, make una see. Bye, everybody. Bye.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is a live video of Mr. Ibu, as they called, John Ikechukwu Okafor, and his wife, Stella Maris Ibu Okafor. We are here to let the public know that all the things they have been saying on social network and media is fake. I want you people to listen to Mr. Ibu, John Ikechukwu Okafor, for him to tell you
So people have sold me like this. They don't even want to hear from me. All they do is to sell me free of charge. The devil. It won't work.
sorry, excuse me. You're making me run. You're going this way, right? Yeah, go.
Let's use the. Oh, she use this. Okay.
Ruth, how happy are you?
I'm very so happy. I don't deserve this.
You deserve it. You deserve more, my love.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You deserve more. You deserve more.
I really appreciate for everything, for loving me so much. Prof X, my daddy, Mr. Fruit, thank you very much. I really appreciate for everything. Thank you. I'm happy. Thank you. But I don't deserve this. I don't even know if. Thank you very much, Daddy Prophet. Thank you. I appreciate. God bless all of you. God bless you. for making me happy just like that. Oh, thank you. I'm happy. I'm happy too much. I really appreciate it too much. Thank you.
Mention your daddy's name. Who is your daddy?
Prof. S.
Who is your daddy?
Prof. S.
Mr. Pull the trigger.
S. My daddy. That's my special daddy.
Mr. Pull the trigger.
It's my daddy. Prof. X is my daddy.
Okay.
Thank you, Jesus. I thank everybody all over the world for your support towards my life. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you, everybody, for taking away pains from me, for wiping away my tears. Thank you. I really appreciate everybody. Thank you.
So,
Thank you, sir.
going into her room.
Mom, I really appreciate. Thank you for beautifying my life like this. Daddy Prof. S, thank you very much. Thank you, I really appreciate. Thank you, ma. Thank you, sir.
Okay, hello, you're Emmanuel. What's your name? Shalom. What's your name? Triumph. You're cute. Very cute. Okay, so come up and go. So you see your mother. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Can you say hello?
He's tough floor.
Okay, so bye.
Bye, you're on top floor now.
Bye-bye. Okay, so here we are. You want to see your mommy? Yes. Do you guys miss your mommy? You miss your mommy? Yes. Okay, so here we go. Let's surprise her. You're welcome. We're gonna see your mommy. Here we are. We're going in. Here we are. Ah. Hi, Triumph, right? How are you, boy? I'm fine. Big boy.